Hello everyone, Andy here, and today you join me with a video on an email I received last night. I've got it on the screen right here and we're going to go through it in a minute, but basically it looks like it's some sort of like FPV drone that is powered by DJI, so it looks very exciting. I'm not sure if there's any other videos out there on this, so I could be the first because I only just received this last night. So I've not had a chance to look at it, so I thought what I'll do is we'll scan through it together and see what it's all about. Okay, so here we have it, and apologies for the fact that this is in portrait on a landscape video, but that is just the way the email has come through. So it's from Drone World, introducing the Phoenix HD RTR. Not too sure what the RTR stands for, but hopefully we'll find out. It looks cool. Just looking at it from this picture, looks ace. The black and red looks really menacing. Now interestingly, I think I can see a camera here and a camera here. I'm going to go ahead and say that one of them is recording and one of them's for the FPV, for the live feed. But the thing that interested me the most before I've even looked further down this, before doing my intro, was the powered by DJI. So this is interesting. Is this an FPV drone from DJI? Why am I the only one who's actually received this? I don't know. Maybe many of you other ones have. Comment below if you've also received this and know more about it. So looks like we can click to explore. I'll have a look maybe later what that is. So it says the world's first FPV racing kit with DJI OcuSync. So we've got DJI OcuSync. So obviously I'm guessing that might be something to do with the goggles that you can buy for the FPV. So scroll down. So we've got with DJI OcuSync integrated into the Phoenix HD, you get the best quality video feed on the market. Now that's really appealing to me because I don't know if any of you other guys have actually looked at FPV videos. Now when you watch them on YouTube they look brilliant, but what I've heard from people I know with them is that actually the live feed that you receive is terrible. It's supposed to be really, really bad. So God knows how these guys fly because the sort of sync with it is terrible. So that is really, really cool, and what makes me think I would want this over another one is for that. So we've got racing and cinema. So the only drone on the market designed to race, explore and do tricks while still pulling off epic looking cinematic shots. This sounds great. And before I get into any more, what I'm actually wondering is this thing going to be less in weight for the new UK laws? Because then for some people you wouldn't need to do the whole register, etc, etc. I've covered that in another video and I'll pop up a link at the top of the screen as well if you do want to watch that on the new laws. It'd be interesting to see if it is below the weight. Easy to fly, so it says training videos can teach anyone with DJI experience how to fly, film and race. Cool. Right, here we go. 100% RTR. The first drone in the world that is fully 100% ready to race. That's ace. That's really cool, because when I've looked at other drones like this, you've got to build all the things, buy all the parts. I can't be bothered with that. So that's good. So it's assembled, bound, tuned and turnkey ready. Okay, we've got a video, although I think this is just a link, but again we'll click back to that after I've looked at the whole of this email. So then we've got DJI OcuSync, I think I'm saying that right. So it's the first FPV racing drone with DJI OcuSync for crystal clear digital video. So it's built for FPV racing, which is first person view for anyone out there who doesn't know what that means, and smooth cinematic video balanced with software. This looks great. I mean, even looking at the close quality, this looks pretty robust. This is going to protect the camera if you go full on into a wall or into the floor. It's covered in all aspects. So hopefully the thing that's very expensive, the camera, because that is one of the probably the most expensive parts of these drones is the camera. I know that with my Phantom anyway. This does look good. I'm quite excited about this. Okay, so then we've got this Lumineer Motors, the 2350 kV motor. Makes this the ideal combination of power and efficiency. By the way, I'm just going off track, but I've just noticed this is carbon fibre. That's cool. You can see it's carbon fibre with the weave there, so that's going to be really light and really strong. The lightweight aluminium motor housing provides durability to withstand impacts. This looks great. I already want to buy this thing. If DJI or the company for this are watching my video, I would be more than happy for you to loan me this FPV drone and to try it out and make some videos on it, because this looks really exciting. Hand-built, the Phoenix HD is hand-built and tested by our certified Drone World technicians to ensure the highest quality and performance, so you can get flying faster. Oh, this looks brilliant. Okay, so this is the DJI thing, DJI Goggles Racing Edition. DJI goggles deliver the best, bar none, ultra crisp high definition video will put a permanent smile on your face. Buy two and simultaneously explore the world with others. That's cool. Now, again, I've not actually tested myself firsthand the DJI goggles. Again, DJI, if you're watching this video, maybe you'd like to lend me some. I would definitely love to see what they actually are like. So I'm guessing this is the only part of it. Maybe that's the DJI when it says powered by DJI. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments if I've got that wrong, but it looks to me at the moment that the only thing DJI related is the goggles for the FPV. Either way though, looks really cool. So we've got training videos, watch now. Engineered to make a pilot out of anyone, these video, this doesn't make any sense, anyone, these videos will teach you how to set up and fly safely while giving you the confidence to pilot a fully immersive FPV drone in no time at all. I like the fact that it is out of the box, ready to fly. Drone World HDI Rebirth of the Modern Drone and finance. No thank you. As mentioned, I'd prefer if you were able to send me one and I could actually try this out myself. Right, let's just have a quick look. Let's see, was there another video? No, there wasn't. So let's click here, see where this takes us. Okay, so this, it looks like it's a shop. It does look pretty cool. It looks like it comes with the full kit. The same with things like the remote, because I've always thought if I was ever to get an FPV drone, you've got to buy all these parts, which would be really annoying. We got a video.
Drone World is proud to announce the world's first FPV kit that features DJI's digital OcuSync technology. With the most advanced video optics on Earth and the most comprehensive collection of top-of-the-line parts, the modern-day drone has been reborn with the all-new Phoenix HD by Drone World. Engineered to thrill and excite all pilots, this is the most versatile FPV drone on the market. Its range and video clarity are capable of producing silky smooth cinematic shots, while its meticulously built and tuned powertrain can crank out lap after lap of extreme all-out FPV racing. Using Drone World's professional training videos, the Phoenix HD is easier than ever to fly for pilots with only minimal DJI experience. The Phoenix HD has redefined the meaning of ready to fly, and Drone World has mastered the art of building complete kits that are now ready to race. The new Low Pro X3 is the ultimate backpack meant for the precise management of your FPV drone needs. It holds the highly acclaimed DJI Goggles Racing Edition with fully adjustable head mount and long life battery. The first-person video display features the first ever fully digital DJI Cinema goggles. These new black-colored Racing Edition goggles will sync with the long-awaited OcuSync technology, providing 1280 by 960 high-def video and video latency as low as 50 milliseconds. The goggles feature an intuitive touchpad control and lightning-fast frequency hopping to maintain a rock-solid signal. Also included is the FPV industry's most tried-and-true Taranis X7 remote controller. It's meant for rugged use. This beefy remote is the most reliable controller in the FPV community. Next up, we have the two neatly fit lithium polymer safe battery bags to keep your batteries organized. In this first bag, we have the award-winning high discharge Tattoo 4-cell batteries. Designed for rapid charging and high output, these two batteries carry a substantial 75C discharge rating while still maintaining flight time longevity of up to 12 minutes of flight. These pre-soldered XT60 plugs offer simple charging and highly secure connections. The remaining 2 batteries in the kit are Tattoo's very explosive R-Line battery, with a whopping 95C rating for those high-punch throttle bursts capable of rocketing your drone up to 80 miles per hour and up to 400 feet in just 3.4 seconds. Getting your batteries charged is easier than ever with Drone World's Thor supercharging stations. Simple step plug-in power connections quickly charge all 4 batteries safely at once without having to set any amperage, voltage, or capacity amounts using traditional systems. The Drone World backup battery bank and custom cables come in handy so your quad never gets grounded due to low power on your remote or goggles. With dual outputs, it always keeps your GoPro and mobile devices topped off. This entire kit is 100% ready to fly, but wouldn't be complete without spare parts. These include an extra universal camera mount and a custom 3D printed OcuSync transmitter case, designed with breakaway antenna holders. Lastly, we've got your LiPo batteries covered, protected, and strapped up tight with an angle-fitted custom battery tray. Included in the LowPro X3 bag are hangers for extra propellers and space for a laptop, hydration pack, and Drone World's weather-resistant top 10 tips for FPV Flyers Guide. With highly innovative compartments and precise padding meant specifically for each one of these parts, your rapid deploy pack will have you up in the air in just 90 seconds. Order the Phoenix HD and you'll have the most versatile drone on the market, allowing you to chart your own horizons.
That looks cool. I want one. Please, Phoenix HD, I hope you see this video. I am more than willing to have a go at this firsthand and show everyone, because this looks ace. I would love to have this thing as part of my collection going forward. I could see me having loads and loads of fun with this thing. As a full set, it looks epic. The price, obviously, sort of, for me, I couldn't really afford this. I would actually have to have a look at what this is in pounds, but I'm guessing maybe around the sort of £1,000 mark. For an FPV drone, that does seem quite expensive. I'm not massively knowledgeable on FPV drones, but you know, I've spoke to various groups, and you know, you could probably build one for around £200 to £300 as a starter. So but then again, I do know that that doesn't include all the little spare parts that it mentions. But yeah, for maybe, let's just say for 500 quid, you could probably get something pretty decent. And this is going to be about 1,000, so it's a little bit expensive. But either way, I think this looks great, especially the fact that you get the DJI goggles for the FPV, and everything's just out of the box. I think that's probably the biggest selling point for me. Is just having this thing ready to fly out the box. It looks great. Okay everyone, I'm going to end the video here. Thanks everyone for watching. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe for future videos, and make sure to hit the little bell icon to keep up to date with future videos. Thanks everyone again for watching. See you again soon. Bye.